I'm going to go over a tablet and cell phone floor stand from the company Viozon. I think's how you would say that. And check this thing out, everybody. You can see it right here on the package here. And there's a Bluetooth remote. They actually included a Bluetooth remote. And then looking over the side here, devices can go between 120 and 260 millimeters in width and 17 millimeters in thickness. So my tablet is 11-inch tablet, which is pretty big for a tablet, and it holds that tablet really good. And then the cell phone will go between 54 and 115 millimeters in width. And I have an iPhone Pro, so that holds that just fine. And you know what? I took it out of the box because I have been using this thing. It's in this bag. And check out the cool bag they give you, so we don't need that box anymore. And you get a set of instructions, and the instructions basically just kind of like break down how to use this thing. It goes, you could see how the opening up of it, and then how it collapses down, and how you fold it up and then tighten it down. And I will cover that in this video. So let me go ahead and let's dump this thing out, and let me show you what you get with this thing, because I've been using it and I have been very impressed with this thing. This bag actually has like a slight shoulder sling on it. There's the unit itself. There's the tablet holder. There's the phone holder, so that's for the cell phone there. You can see it has a 1/4-20 mount right there. There's the Bluetooth remote for like on and off on your cell phone or tablet, pause, and then start. So that's actually a really handy thing to have right there if you don't have anything like that. And there's an extra battery that they included with it, and it's the 2032 coin battery, and there's one already in it. So they give you 2 batteries with this thing, and then you turn it on the side, and then it starts connecting right there. And I will show you that, taking a picture with my cell phone to show you that that does work. So the tablet holder, there's one way of doing this. I've got it put together here, but I'm just going to take it back apart and show you exactly how I got it. You get the tablet holder, it's like that, and this piece is screwed onto there. So it's got this ball mount that's on right there. You're going to take this off, put that on there like that, and then press this on. Then you're going to press that on and hear that click, and then you're going to tighten it down. Very sturdy, and once you tighten this thing down, it's solid. It takes a lot to move it. You can still move it like that, but to move it around, it takes a little bit. So very impressive on that, and you want to tighten that down. So once that's tightened down, you're good. And then to open this thing up, so let me just show you opening this thing up. You fold each one of the legs. You got 3 legs that you fold down like that. So that goes like that. And then you put like maybe 3 to 4 turns on there. Look how solid that is. That is a solid mounting right there. Very impressive on how well that mounts. And then just like a tripod, you get these flip switches right there that open. And then you see the length on that. It goes up to about 5 foot of length. So that goes right there like that. And I'm going to show you putting a tablet in there. That's super simple to fit down in there. And then you can rotate it around. So now it's like a horizontal tablet instead of vertical. So if I want to be vertical, it's just like that. Then it's horizontal just like that. So this would be great if I was working on a project and I needed to have like a teleprompter up, or like have a video or something playing where I needed to see and then move it around, and or I could be watching just a movie. Very nice stand for that. So let me go ahead and set it up for a cell phone and show you how well it works with a phone. Put the phone mount on there. You got the phone mount right here, and notice how it's 360 degrees in all directions right there. What I do is just unscrew this piece, and I leave this piece put together. You see the 1/4-20 mount right there? Do that 1/4-20 mount right there like that, and there it is. We are good to go. So I got my iPhone 13 Pro here. You see how it goes, and then look how it just mounts right into place. I've linked up the remote, so check this out, everybody. So like you see right there, watch this. Look how it takes a picture. And then if I want to do video, that's starting the video, and that's stopping the video. Start, stop. Everything on this works extremely well. This would be great for someone just kind of like doing a TikTok, or like me, like I'm doing. I have a stand right here with a camera on it, and then I could have this for my cell phone and use my phone to record, because sometimes I use my cell phone to record a review instead of like this camera right here. Because look how you can go vertical, and now I can go horizontal really fast. And if I want to just kind of like rotate it around really fast, I can do those cool effects like that. and then roll it around and then move it. Is that not awesome? And then if I want to do like another cool effect, I could do that. And then they also have a mount right here. So right here would be for like a light or a microphone or some addition that I wanted to add to it. I have a mic that has a 1/4-20 mount on it like that too. And then when you want to put this thing up, you just loosen that up. That locks into place. And you can leave this on here or just take this off. I like taking it off so I don't risk breaking it. And just put it all back down, slide it all back in the bag here, and you're good to go. That's all I got on the Viozon cell phone tablet holder. See y'all in the next video.